Is your dishwasher running but staying bone dry? Don't call a plumber just yet. It's usually one of 4 simple things. First, check if the water supply valve under the sink is accidentally turned off. Next, inspect the float switch at the bottom of the dishwasher to make sure it's not stuck in the up position. Then, ensure the door latch is fully engaging. If it doesn't click, the water won't start. Finally, the water inlet valve is a common part that might need a simple replacement. For a full step-by-step guide on how to fix these parts, search Google for "Why does my dishwasher have no water dishwashing picks?"